Hi, welcome to the video 13 of our Adobe Premiere Pro classes. Today we will explore how to use the timeline panel effectively in Adobe Premiere Pro. The timeline panel is where all the editing magic happens. I actually showcased some of the things in the previous video, but there are some things I missed on that video. That's why I'm adding again this. So timeline panel is nothing but this is the place where you are going to add your video clips, audio clips, titles, transitions and effects to build your final sequence. First, let's understand the track. As you can see, I opened one of the Premiere Pro project file. So this entire thing is called the sequence. If you press the button above the tab key, this full window will be opened. If in case you are in this section, as you can see, this is highlighted. Now if you press the key above the tab button, it opens. Press once again to get back to this. So we go to the timeline panel. Okay, first understand the tracks. Video tracks are stacked above. As you can see, video 1, video 2, video 3, video 4 and so on like that. Audio tracks are stacked below. As you can see, audio 1, audio 2, audio 3 like that. Whatever is higher in the timeline visually takes priority. For example, this is video 1 layer where the zoom in clip and zoom out clip both are there. If I add this clip here, now you can see the difference. See, whatever the clip below this clip, this one is not showing. You can trim it or you can delete it, whichever you like, you can do it. Second is zoom in or out tools to navigate through the sequence more precisely. The plus and minus buttons are useful a lot and I use these buttons only to do zoom in or zoom out. You can observe this. Now I'm zooming it out. See, a good pieces of clips are there. Again, I'm zooming it in. This is the max. Don't worry, I'll share in the coming videos about these shortcut keys I use a lot and which helps you to convert from 1x to 10x speed editor. The third one is locking the video and audio clips to prevent accidental changes. As you can see, I'm locking all these. If in case you want to unlock all at a time, I'm giving a tip here. Press the shift and press anywhere on the lock button. If in case you want to lock all the tracks, again do the same. It's very convenient. The same goes for the audio as well. In the audio we get mute switch and the solo track as well. The solo track is useful to only listen the audio in that layer. Remaining all others are muted automatically. Next is use of markers. I told you that previously. I'll explain you about the markers. See, the shortcut key for the markers is M. If in case you want, you can use any other shortcut key, there is no problem. Even on the project panel also you will see the marker button. If you double click on the marker, you can name it and give some comments, and even the color you can change it however you like. Not only that, if you press the Alt on the marker, you can drag it like this, so it's easy for the person who is editing that clip to make changes. I'm just giving an example. Also, you can see some more options here. The magnet, also called snap in timeline, this actually attaches completely. As you can see, some highlights are showing here. This is due to this magnet. If in case I disable it and if I move it back, as you can see, it's not showing anything. Now if I enable it back, now it is showing a highlighter. This is called magnet, top and bottom, you can observe here. See guys, I'm just telling about the options here. Once we get into the proper editing of a project file, we will know more about things in the long run. See, learning of these type of softwares is not one go. We need to use a lot of techniques, lot of tools. Once we master that, then only we will understand what it is and when to use that. So all I can say is mastering the timeline panel will save you a ton of time and making your editing workflow much smoother. If you're enjoying these tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Premiere Pro tips. And by the way, if you're planning to start a YouTube channel or already started one but not seeing any of the results, don't worry, I'm here to help you out. I'm actually starting a one-on-one mentorship and coaching program for those who are struggling or want to create a new YouTube channel, you can check out the link in the description box, and that is a Google form link. You can enter all your details. I'll get back to you as soon as possible with the mail. So make sure you give the correct mail ID, not the proxy one.